Hey everyone, let's talk about something that confuses almost everyone trying the Temu free gift. Because you've probably seen two types of people, those unlocking free items, those saying this never works. And the difference between them is usually one quiet step that almost nobody explains properly. Before we get into it, I've put the working Temu free gift code right here on screen. You'll also find it in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes I keep updated. Now here's the part most videos skip, the secret step nobody mentions. Most users think the free gift works like this. Open Temu, find free gift, enter code, done. But Temu's system doesn't always behave like a simple coupon redemption. There's something else happening behind the scenes. Temu often waits for a proper event trigger before showing any free gift mechanics. If that trigger never happens, your code may look fine. Your app looks normal, but nothing activates what most people accidentally do. They treat Temu like a regular shopping app. Open, scroll, browse products, then try free gift later. By that point, Temu has already categorized the session as standard browsing behavior, not promotional participation, and the free gift logic may never appear. The step that changes everything. Instead of starting inside Temu, use the first link in the description. This step routes your account through Temu's promotion-aware entry path. It signals, I'm entering through a free gift event, not just casual shopping. How to know it worked. After using the link and opening Temu, look for signs like free gift interface reward/event screen, gift selection prompt, special promotional layout, not just discounts. If everything looks like normal shopping, the trigger didn't register. Why this step feels invisible? Because Temu doesn't clearly say, hey, you entered incorrectly. It simply behaves like a normal store, leaving users confused thinking code fake, offer fake doesn't work. The reality, Temu free gift isn't fake, but it's also not purely automatic. It depends on entry context, promotion trigger session recognition, which is exactly why this overlooked step matters. So if Temu free gift hasn't worked for you before, try again using the code on screen, but don't skip the part nobody talks about. Enter through the correct flow first. And if it finally unlocks for you, comment what you got. I genuinely love seeing real outcomes.